AI, it's changing the world faster than ever before. But here's the $1 million question. What if I told you that AI could help you make money right now? From side hustles to full time careers, artificial intelligence is unlocking opportunities like never before. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup founder, or somebody looking to turn your passion into profit, there is an AI tool that can help you make it happen. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you 4 incredible ways to make money using AI. No advanced skills required. Whether you want to create digital products, automate your workflow, start online side hustle, anything you want, AI can be your secret weapon. So, are you ready to unlock the future of income? Hit that like button and let's dive in.
If I were you right now, I would quickly start an AI business before the end of this year. Let me just give you a few ideas that you can start off with, but you should not limit yourself. If I give you 4 ideas, I believe you'll take at least 1 or 2 and start off. Number 1 is graphic design. This is one of the tools I use. I've really maximized AI for graphic designing. I usually graphic design my thumbnails. If you don't know what are thumbnails, these are the photos that appear before a video, before you click a video. It's like a profile picture on the video. So I usually use tools like Canva. I also use generative AI to create my design. Now, if you're somebody who has a passion for creating designs but you don't know where to begin, you can use AI to design for people, and you can design so many things. You can do birthdays, like birthday invitation cards, wedding cards, posters, anything. AI is going to design for you, and you can sell these designs, especially for events. If you have friends who usually love hosting events, you can do the designs for them and then you give it to them. You can also market businesses like a hotel, clothes business, a shop. You just use Canva to design them and then you sell them. And there are so many templates on Canva and generative AI that you can use. For me, I've used them for the longest time for my videos, and they really give me views. I know many people have not really seen the use of Canva, like the use of graphic design, but let me tell you, if you do this and market yourself on your platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook accounts, everywhere, just market yourself. Tell people you're designing posters, you're designing invitation cards, birthday cards, success cards. You can design so many cards and sell to people. Just market yourself and you're going to get clients within no time. Number 2 is content creation, like YouTube videos. You can start a faceless channel. If you're somebody who doesn't like showing their face, you can use AI to do content creation. How do you do this? There are actually AIs that are there to do videos for you. For example, in video, you just go to the AI and you just prompt it, tell it, maybe I want you to create a video for me on how to make money. It's going to create a video for you with explanations. You just tell it, I want an 8-minute video, and it's going to do that for you. So you can actually do content creation using AI, and you don't have to show your face like I am. If you're a shy person, you can do it. If you want videos on animation, you just need to go to an AI like that one that creates videos and tell it to create animation videos for you, and within no time you will have your animation videos. If you love maybe gaming, you can also tell it to design for you, and then you come back here. If you can do anything with AI, including generating photos, and then you do a voiceover. Now that way you are not going to be seen. The only problem with using AI videos is the voice doesn't look natural. For me, I can easily detect an AI video because of the sound, but you can actually create a video using AI, and then for the voiceover sound, you just use your own sound. Nobody's going to know, nobody's going to watch you. You're going to use other people's images, like AI generated images, because I know there are some people out here who would not want to be seen like I am, the way I'm just talking to you guys freely. There's someone who will not want, like there are shy people out here. If you're that person, AI can generate a video for you, and then you do the voiceover. Next is AI fraud detection platform. Now, for this one, you just need to provide a platform whereby people can easily detect fraud. You know, right now, there have been so many scammers. There are so many people who want to take advantage of others online. If you come up with a way that someone can easily detect fraud, then you could be making a lot of money right now. This is very useful for financial service industry, and I know there's a gap in this, and if you really do this, you could make money. Now, what you're going to do, you just use algorithms to monitor activities by a certain person or activities by people or their services, and then you detect any signs of fraud or anything that is weird, and you're going to use AI to do this. So you're not the one who is just doing this. It's AI that's going to detect the activities of that person or their transactions, and this is going to prevent any financial fraud. If you could use AI to detect fraud, then I believe you could be making so much money, because right now people are really desperate to counter fraud, and so many people are actually stealing from others online. All these people that you see gaining riches very fast, they are not just getting them, they are stealing from people online. So if you can develop a mechanism in which you're able to quickly get activities of someone and then you detect them quickly, and you report that's a scam or something of that sort, then it could be really helpful and useful, especially to the financial companies, industries, to prevent them from being stolen from. Fourth way, you can use AI to become a virtual assistant. You guys know that right now something that's really doing well is becoming a virtual assistant. Now, as a virtual assistant, you can incorporate AI in your work. By the way, I told you, create a template, post on your social media platforms that you're a virtual assistant, wait for people to contact you. Now, you can use AI as a virtual assistant to be able to make your work easy. For example, you can use AI to be able to reply to messages quickly on behalf of someone, to be able to reply to emails quickly, but definitely you have to use AI in a clever way. Also, you can even help HRs to manage employees. You can also help them maybe when it comes to recruitment. You can be able to look at, AI is going to help you look at CVs quickly. It's going to help you know how to shortlist people quickly. Yani, AI can really help you, especially if you're in the HR industries, because even when you want to, let's say, appraise someone, you can easily use it using AI. AI is going to help you be able to rank people easily. So AI can help to make your work easier whenever you want, in whichever industry you're doing. Those are just a few ways, but I believe there are so many ways that AI could be of use to you right now. If you're not using AI to make money, I don't know why you are still sleeping on it. Comment down below and tell me, have you used AI to make money in any way? How did it go? Did you make money? I don't know. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, do make sure you like this video. I hope you've not left this video without liking. Please like this video. Tell me what you think. Have I left something? Comment down below. And I love engaging with you guys. If you have any question, also feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'm definitely at your service. I'm going to be replying to all of your questions. And yeah, that's it, guys. Those are just a few of the ways that you can make money using AI, but there are so many more. Maybe I will be bringing them more, so stick around, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell on so that you will not miss whenever I give you an update. That's it for today. I'm hoping to see you on the next video, guys. Until then, bye.